In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change between landscape and portrait monitor orientation on your ASUS laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So what I have to do is select the Windows Start button and search for settings. Best result, you come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. On the left panel, select System, and then on the right side, select Display. And then you want to go underneath Scale and Layout and select where it says Display Orientation. I recommend selecting the drop-down and select either Landscape or Portrait mode, assuming your system supports it. And that's pretty much it. So, as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.